Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the 3D view in the Flightradar24 app, step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll see many live flights displayed on the map in real time. Now, select any flight that you want to view in detail. As soon as you tap on it, you'll see a full information panel, including the airline name, flight number, route, aircraft type, and speed. Right here, you'll also see the 3D view option. Go ahead and tap on that. If you have any credits available, the 3D view will start right away. In my case, I have 1 credit left, so it's working perfectly. But keep in mind, once your free credits are used, this feature becomes paid and you'll need a subscription to continue using it. Now you can see the plane in 3D view flying across the globe in real time. You can change the camera angle, zoom in or zoom out, and even switch to the pilot's seat view, which gives you a realistic cockpit experience. It's an amazing way to track flights more interactively. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.